Let's go. What?
Do you know English?
Okay.
Do you know
I will
English?
stop. Yeah. How about you?
Okay.
Do you know English?
Yes, I know English.
Do you know English?
Yeah, I know. So first of all, where from?
I know. I'm from Philippines. How about you?
I'm also fine.
Philippines.
Yeah, I know that. I know Philippines. So, how are you?
Yes. Yes, I'm good. How about you?
I'm also fine by the grace of my dear Lord. So first of all, like, what do you do right now?
Oh no, I'm just only doing music right here. Music.
Okay.
How old are you? How old are you?
I'm 16 years old. And you?
16?
16. 1 6.
Wow, you're so very young.
Yeah.
You're so very young.
Yeah, of course.
And you're doing English very well.
Yeah.
You're doing English very well.
Yeah.
Are you studying English there?
No, no, but English is international language. You know that.
Yeah, international language, but your pronunciation is so very good.
So thank you so much for asking me.
Okay.
So how old are you?
Oh, I'm only 26 years old. I'm older than you.
Okay.